Lee's General Landscaping. Big job, big cleanup job. 2-day job, you guys. 2-day job, big job. Look what we have here. What is it? Pop quiz, hot shots. You know what it is. A little prickly, a little thorny. Something dark and sweet. What is it? I'll tell you what it is. Blackberries. Himalayan blackberries. Alright, these guys are fruiting. They are ready to harvest. Ready to spread its seed. Some birds, bees. Goes in the air, goes in the ground. And sprouts out some more. Alright? Lots of blackberry, you guys. A lot. And we're getting rid of them. By the root. And we're gonna haul it away. Alright? Get rid of the root cause of this Himalayan blackberry infestation. And it's right here. It's a lot of work, you guys. A lot of work. A lot of roots. And we're hacking away at them. Okay? That's how it's done. Lee's General Landscaping. One root at a time. And this is what that crown looks like. Blackberry crown. It's not pretty, but it is strong. Lee's General Landscaping.